Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to get the wood spike strap in 7 days to die. This is going to be especially useful for using it in the starting the game when you want to protect yourself from some zombie hordes. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to find some wood, and you can get it from these dead bushes, but this is not the amount that you will need, because one of these wooden spikes is going to require you to gather 20 wood. So, to get it, make sure you've got a good axe at your hand, and also go to the skills, and here, if you go to miner, in the strength tab, here you can see this is going to increase the damage of your tool, and also this mother load skill is going to increase the yield of trees of wood that you'll get from it. So just go ahead, go around trees and mining them, and once you gather enough wood, just go to your inventory, select the wood spike strap, and craft as many as you would like. Then to place them, just place it into your hotbar, and go ahead and rotate them however you want, using R. And this is pretty much all. How to get it, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.